17 factorial divided by 32. 17 factorial is 17 into 16 into 15 and so on up to 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 32. Divided by 32. 16 twos are 32. 32 into any number when you divide by 32, answer will be 0. 32 into any number when you divide by 32, remainder will be 0. 16 twos are 32. 32 into any number when you divide by 32, remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat. Is this model clear to you? Is this model very clear to you? Clear to all the students? Is this model clear to all the students? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Is this model clear to all the students? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Everybody kindly reply, so that I will go to the next step. After my class is over, you don't need to refer any book for a conceptual understanding on the topic which I decided. Take a video, download that video if it is public, neatly keep it in desktop while going to the college. While going from one place to another place, leave it. Very unfortunate thing is, from tomorrow onwards, our live classes will be made private. Will be made private. I told my technical team, probably if the class is 2 hours, 30 minutes will be made available after one day. 30 minutes will be made available after one day. Full class will be available only to an enrolled students. Only to an enrolled students. Right? I hope it is clear. 17 factorial divided by 32. 17 into 16 into 15 and so on up to 1 divided by 32. 16 twos are 32. I will explain this problem once again. Reminder 1. 7 power 612 minus 6 power 612 divided by 1118, which is 2 into 559. This is nothing but power is an even number. 7 cube power 204 minus 6 cube power 204 divided by 2 into 559. Power is an even number. So this can be written as 7 cube plus 6 cube into an odd number divided by 2 into 559. Right? A power n minus b power n. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a plus b. A plus b is 7 cube plus 6 cube. Right? Odd minus even is odd. Odd plus even is odd. Odd into odd, it is an odd number. These cancelled. Odd divided by 2, 1. 559 is cancelled. Right? 559 is cancelled. Why I took it as odd is because I want to take the factor of 118, 1118 from the numerator. This is the idea. Factor of 1118 from the numerator. Factor of 1118 from the numerator. That's the entire last model in reminders. Last model in reminders. Model number 11 or 12. I think it is model number 11. Model number 11 in reminders. Concept. Problems based on a power n plus or minus b power n. A power n plus or minus b power n. Extremely important model. Did you thought that there are 11 models in reminders and everything? First key point. Key points. First one. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a power n is minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. A power n minus b power n is always divisible by a minus b as long as it is a natural number. Is also divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. If n is an even number, definitely it will be divisible by a minus b. In addition to a minus b, it is also divisible by a plus b. Example, a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. If you observe, n could be 2, n could be 2 or n could be 3. It is always divisible by a minus b. It is always divisible by a minus b. It is also divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. Praveen, pen, change it. A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b. First key point. Second key point. Please write down. In my class, no entertainment will be there. No unwanted, non-academic discussions will be there from my end. Even in the live chat also, if you discuss something other than non-academics, I will block you. Simple and straight. A class should be like a class. The way I am teaching to you in live class, you should feel that sir is there in front of me and teaching. Right? Second key point. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. A cube plus b cube, it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A square minus ab plus b square. Right? A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is odd. A power n minus b power n is divisible by a minus b if n is a natural number. It is also divisible by a plus b if n is an even number. Now we will do some practice problems. First one, remainder of 9 power 123 plus 7 power 123 divided by 16. 9 power 123 plus 7 power 123 divided by 16. You can use it in two methods. Method 1. 16 ones are 16. Negative remainder minus 7. Minus 7 power 123 plus 7 power 123. Answer is 0. 16 ones are 16. Minus 7 power 123 plus 7 power 123. It is cancelled. Method 2. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. 123 is an odd number. So answer for this question is 0 by using a power n plus b power n concept.